everyone, this is Anile from African Multi Design. In this video, we're going to look at TikTok and help you create a quick video for your brand and your clothes or your food using a TikTok. It's the nicest, coolest way to access your target market. So the TikTok app has a template and you can do cool videos like this in less than 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to show you, and you can post it. And while you're posting on the other social media apps, you can also post on TikTok. So you just click on the plus button and it opens like this, and this is how I look like. And there's 3 options. There's 60-minute option, not 60 minutes, 1 minute option, or 60 seconds, and there's a 15 seconds option, and there's templates. So this is the one that I want us to have a look at, because it's really going to help you and save you a lot of time. So the TikTok app comes with templates. They've made things so easy for us. So if you wanted to create a glow up where you can see that the child is growing up, you can use it in whichever way that you want. You saw the one that I did. It was done on glow up. So that's the one option. There's a rainy day template where the app will guide you that you need to upload up to 3 items in order for it to play and show you a nice cool video. And they also add music for you as well. So it's quite nice. The app comes with template. How cool is that? So there's a split screen one, and there's a techno one, and the one that I actually want to show you and that I want to play with and show you how you can do that quick. It's not the photo gallery one, but you see the photo gallery, you see the billboard one, and there's one where they say let's cook. So this is for the cooks and the chefs. You can post your food in such a nice way and not just stick to one platform. You can diversify your social media outreach, and you try to reach much more broader audiences for your brand. So it's up to 27, as you see at the bottom of the page. It's 27 templates that you can select and choose and use, and you can then upload in less than 5 minutes. After you gym in the morning, you go to your gallery and you choose an app, and then you go for it. So I'm going to use this one that says let's cook for one of my customers that we're building a website for. And then it tells you select photos. So if you can read, you can actually do this. Then you go to your gallery and you select the pictures that you want the app to play for you. So I've selected the one. I want to select this other one, and I'm happy with these two. Then I'm gonna, as you can see at the bottom of the page, it tells you the number of pictures that you've selected, but you can upload up to 8 photos. So let's see if we can maybe find more food pictures so that you get a better feel for the app. There's another food that I would like to select. I don't want to select in is Twitter. There's more food that I would like to select. This one is nice. And you just select I'm happy with the 6. So 6 are selected. You click on OK, and then it starts processing the video for you, and then it starts playing the food for you on the app, and then you can add sound on your video. Let's add this one. You can play it. Once you've listened to it and you're happy with that, you can add the sound. You can even add text to say that 50 rand a plate in Soweto. There's the song. In Soweto, MD. So that's how you add MD. That's how you add your text on the app. You can change color. If you click and you hold it down or hold it up, you can drag. You can even delete it if you don't want the text to be on your video. So I want it somewhere in the middle there, and I want to edit because I want to change color to, let's, green for food, no, let's say orange. Done. You can't even see that very nicely, ne? So let's go edit. So that's how you edit the text. I'll leave it as white, and that's how the video looks like. And then you click on next, and then you can upload. So you just write your description for the video on TikTok. Reach us in Soweto, #SoWetoMDed. In Soweto, and then you can just add hashtags. #Soweto, and then you can add hashtags like that. So once you're happy and you're ready, you can process. If you want to add more hashtags, that's how you add them. Then you can either save it as a draft or you can post it. Then it will post on your feed, so that when people log in on TikTok, they can look at the video that you've done in less than 10 minutes. See, I was right. It's less than 10 minutes. And you can quickly do this with your pictures of your product or whatever. You can play around on the app and try to reach more customers for your brand. Thank you for joining me on this video, and go serve customers. And remember, people are not SMEs of your product. You are the SME of the product. So please serve.